Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you a powerful Excel shortcut key which makes your work with Excel easier. Watch to the end, and if you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. For example, I want to write from 1 to 500. It is hard to drag it to 500. It takes time. Okay? This way, it's not a professional way. If you want to write 1 to 500 or 1 to 10,000, use this function. Let's use this powerful shortcut key. From here, just write 1, enter, come back to the cell, then Alt, then H, F, I, S, select column, and write it to, for example, 500 or 5,000. It doesn't make any difference. Okay, you see, directly give us values from 1 to 500. That's all. Have a nice time.